who's the real person who's been like that the whole time? Oh, hello. How are you doing? I'm doing alright. I'm thinking about the Doom and Gloom and Grey and Rain guy. Not you, Stormrock Boy 13. You know, I said so many times on the show that I go, is it you, Doom and Gloom and Grey and Rain? You know. I'm trying to think who's the real one. Excuse me for a minute. Hello? Are you in here? No. I'm thinking it might be the creepy voice or rotten reality, but I don't really know personally. What if it is somebody else that's not Stormrock Boy 13? What about you? Had you been the real Doom and Gloom and Grey and Rain guy? Lizard? No? No, I guess not. Come out! Nope. Hello? No. Anyone in here? Is this the way to Narnia? No. Wrong wardrobe. That's not the way to Narnia, unfortunately.
Oh, Lewis, you've not got rid of me.
Creepy voice? Rotten reality? Oh, you're not playing games again with me? Oi! Come out! Come with me. I think I'm suspecting something. It's becoming suspicious. Oh, who am I kidding? Nah, I don't think anyone's in here. But I wonder who could be the real Doom and Gloom and Grey and Rain guy. The one that's been bothering me this whole time. This is a real mystery of the true Doom and Gloom and Grey and Rain guy. I know you started to get sick of me saying what I'm saying. Yes, can you stop it already?
You said about that at least 6 times.
Here we go again. What's on next? Put this down and stop it! What's with gritted teeth for? I'm only kidding. Should have gone Specsavers.
Oh, Lewis. You really think you got rid of me for good? Well, I'm with Rotten Reality. I'm helping you to make sure you will never ever succeed anything in your life. You haven't heard of the last of me.
The creepy voice. It's back. Right, Rotten Reality, or creepy voice, or whoever. You've been bothering me for the last time. Wherever you are, come out now.
Come out, you say, you laddie. I could be rotten reality, or a creepy voice. I could be your whole nightmare that would never ever go away. You will be cursed forever. You'll see.
I know you're around here somewhere, and I'm tired of being picked on all the time. You gotta come out. Come on! Come out! Come on, you monster. I know you're nearby. Hello? I can't hear anything at the moment, but the creepy voice is back. This is serious time. It's very, very serious time. Stop hitting your back. Yeah, hit it yourself. Hey. I'm not going to hit any of you. Why would I do that? But I'm sick and tired of this guy. Whoever it is, wherever he or she's came from, this needs to stop. You don't hit women. I know I don't hit women. Oh, because I'm holding this. Alright, alright. There. It's gone now. Happy? No. You're never happy with anything. You're on the creepy voices side. I am tired. I'm trying to make entertainment for you lot all the time, and I never get anything back. I'm sick of it. Why do you mistreat me like this? I don't understand. You lot have disappointed me, you know. No, it's fine. No. I'm trying to be on your side, but all you've only been doing is be on the creepy voices side. That's all you lot have been doing to me. I'm a failure. No wonder why I'll never be successful in anything. Thanks to you lot. You can have the bat if you want. Play with it. You better hit yourselves with it, because I feel like I've been hitting that with myself over the years.
You're right there. You'll never be successful in anything. No wonder why nobody watches this show anymore. It sucks. Make this the last one today. I hope you do.
Go away, creepy voice. You're freaking me out, and I am sick of it. I want you to show yourself. Alright. Can you show yourself? Please.
No.
I'll get you a Happy Meal for free.
No deal.
You can have one of my drawings.
Ew. Yes.
They're not hideous. This took time and effort, you know. And that goes for you two lot. Look at all my lovely pictures I've done. And that he's saying they're hideous. How dare you?
It's true. Why did you even draw them in the first place?
Maybe he has a point. Maybe I am very hideous after all. You are. Hey. What is up with you? Why are you doing this to me? That's really hurtful. And it's too late to say sorry. No. It's too late. Don't go and buy a bunch of flowers or anything. Or don't give me that £50 note. I don't want that either. I want you to be on my side, but no. You're on his side. Whoever this creep is.
It's a good thing they are on my side, because no matter how hard you try in life, no matter how resilient you are, you will never, ever be the winner. And TV doesn't want you.
The voice has won. I'm a failure. No wonder why you lot never liked Lewis vlogs. It's me, isn't it? I'm nothing to anyone. You left me down, you know. I'm disappointed in you all. After everything I've done for you, this is my payback. Wow. Never felt this betrayed in all of my life. You know what, Creepy Voice? You can take over the show, you know. It can be called the Creepy Voice Vlog Show if you want to call it like that.
Really? Oh, thank you.
You're most truly welcome. You know what I'm going to do? Since none of you like me anymore, I'll go and pack up my bags. I'll let the Creepy Voice take over the show, and then you'll have a new host. And I hope you'll finally be happy with something for once. No, it's fine.
Please don't go, please, please.
You're too late. You blew it with me. Forever. I'm gonna pack.
That's a very suitable idea.
Well, I guess this is it. The last episode of Lewis Vlogs ever. Thanks to you. And you.
I got more friends than you.
Shut up. Right, where is my suitcase? What are you smiling at? This is a serious farewell situation. Is this your fault still? No, I'm only joking. Oh my god. Really? Alright. No need to be like that. And you're not taking my show either.
Oh.
Come on, show yourself.
No.
Get the Who was Santa.
I don't believe in Santa. He's fake. God's sake, leave me alone. I'll never leave you alone.
Excuse me. I got a monster to deal with. While I deal with you, not you. You. Stop saying you. It's annoying. Alright, you're not compacting in. And I mean it. Was it? That's the most ridiculous angry pig face I've ever seen. What's this? Wow, I'm scared. What are you laughing at? Oh, I can see you. Shh! This is a library. Well, I'll deal with him. What about you lot go and see what Paul's colleagues are up to? And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. And if some of you don't find this episode funny, I do apologise in my circumstances. Should have gone the Super Spec Savers, but at least I'm making amends now. But whatever you do, Lewis, do not ever do that ever again. Oh. I feel so disowned, I do. That's 10 minutes of my life I'll never get back, thanks to you! See you soon. Right, you. Time to deal with it.
Yeah, good luck with that, mate. Oh, Daniel. Guess who this is? Could this be your new best friend? Or your worst enemy? What do you reckon, buddy?
What? Hey? Who's there? I can hear you but I can't see you.
Excuse me, sir, is this you playing a trick on me? I find it a bit creepy if you ask me.
I'm certainly not. What's your name? I only just started to work with Paul Perkinson again and I have never seen you before. My name is Daniel Dickinson.
My name is Chia Hachikna. I am a Japanese man from Japan and been working for Paul Perkinson since Lewis Vlog 52.
On Lewis Vlog 52 from what I can remember, Lewis had Aaron around and me, Henrietta Biggle and Aaron himself met for the first time. I live at Lewis's house since Lewis vlog 36 as I was homeless after being fired by Paul Perkinson for the first time back at Paul's place, which was the old apartment. Paul himself decided to let me work for him again very recently after I was struggling for a new job elsewhere in the public.
I have been with Paul Perkinson for ages and been meeting different people from this year and last year. I have 4 close colleagues who are my best friends. Matilda Perkinson, Beth Bumblehawk, Karen Bestley, and Graham Garrett. My worst enemies are Alessandro Kipashacha and Oliver Mapleowen. I can't stand them too in the slightest. Who are your worst enemies, Daniel Dickinson?
My worst enemies are Andy Alien, Rob Robot, and Jonathan Jack. Them 3 kidnapped me 2 years ago and even missed out on my very own Valentine's Day event that I advertised back in Lewis vlog 30. I just hope I'll never ever see any of them 3 ever again.
That could be a problem with you working in this apartment.
Why? Why would I have problems working at this apartment?
Hi, how Chicknug. And oh, it's Daniel Dickinson, Rob Robot. Uh-oh, Daniel thinks we're still after him for Jonathan Jack.
Oh no. Not you two again. You are not taking me back to Jonathan Jack's spaceship. Not after what you done to me. You've left me in space for months and I had to get my own way back home, which was crashing your leader's spaceship in a nearby field. My apologies if I did destroyed your home, but I am not going back. End off.
No, Daniel. We're good guys now. You don't understand. Jonathan Jack betrayed us ages ago and decided to fire me and Andy Alien for an Indian guy called Ration Kanchan. He and Jonathan flew up back to space and left the both of us at Queen's Park in Loughborough. Paul Perkinson understood our situation and everyone here accepted us as good guys. We'll never hurt you, Daniel. We are good citizens. Please forgive us. We only kidnapped you because of Jonathan Jack. He's the guy you should really to blame at, not me or Rob Robot.
Well, since the two of you are being honest and serious with me and Chia Hao, I'll let this go and I'll accept you two as my mates from now on.
Brilliant. Thanks, Daniel.
Oh, you four. You need a new friend. Would you like me to be your new friend? Because I could be your most reliable source. Trust me, I am very friendly.
What the crud was that? Is Jonathan Jack planning on something else this time? I hope he isn't.
This voice is creepy. I hope Oliver Owen hasn't returned here in a spooky way.
Well, whatever how this voice is occurring, someone is sneaking around in this apartment.
Afternoon, Daniel, Chia Hao, Andy and Rob. Can you four hear a voice coming and going over and over again?
We certainly can. Danielle Mary Pop. It sounds like a creepy voice and I have never heard of it before until today on this floor.
It's weird and scary. I don't think I could sleep tonight if I keep hearing this voice throughout the rest of the day.
I'll tell you what, how Chicknug. Me and Rob Robot will be on guard this evening outside for you, so if there's a creepy voice heard around in this apartment, me and Rob will chase it everywhere until we finally found whoever's making this disturbing occurrence. That way then, everyone else has got nothing to worry about. All the thanks to me and Andy it will be. You can count on the both of us.
Well, thank you, Andy and Rob. I will be counting on the both of you.
You two are so sweet when it comes to helping other people. Come and have a big hug from me, so then if anything horrible or scary happens to you two, then I'll come as fast as a bumblebee and rescue the both of you from uncomfortness. Come here, my lovelies.
Thank you, David Mary Pop.
Well, isn't this place is going to continue on for the better Chia Hao Chicknug?
Definitely, for sure. Daniel Dickinson.